So this is one of the river cross. Bit deep because of the rain, but what can you do? Well, had to cancel this morning because, as you can see, there's a storm a-brewing. Well, as you can see, the guys can't go up in this, so they're not happy. So it's a rainy salary day today, because if we're rained off, the guys get a salary, so we don't get a full day. But it's too dangerous. I've tried to get up there, no chance. Well, more rain, but that is the season for it. What can you do? What can you do, eh? Morning, guys. Oh, finally made it up the mountain. Well, not made it up, but we're about 200 steps away. So, weather's been atrocious, to be honest. But it is rainy season, what can you do? So, nearly at the top, and I'll give you a shout when we're up there. Cheers, guys. Oh, you can tell how much rain we had last night because the waterfall's really strong. And look how overgrown the path down is, so we need to clear that. Just shows you it doesn't take long in growing. There you go. So, update you shortly, guys. Beautiful. Okay, close again, please. Excellent. Okay, thank you. Okay, open. So this piece of lumber is only temporary. There'll be a proper opening and closing mechanism for them. So I decided to go for top hung windows. That way when people are walking up here, they're not going to get smashed in the face with a side hung window. So close them, please, guys. Beautiful. So we've got one that's sitting inside and we've got one sitting outside. See what we like best. I think I like the outside one because this will swell and contract. And the boys have started the terrace, which will have a balustrade around it as well. So let's have a look. There you go. So we're nearly there, guys. We're nearly there. Nelson, we're nearly there. What? Nearly there. Nearly complete. Nearly. Nearly completed. Ah. Soon on to number 3. Yeah. Yeah. Agree?
It's complete. Another?
Yes. Okay, guys, catch us later. Well, the sun is shining, however we're expecting another storm about 11, 12 o'clock, so there you go. Let's have a look. And again guys, this will be the door to the CR shower room, which will link up to that shower room down here once we've completed. And there you go, you're getting a view of what we've got now. Sliding doors open up. The mullion will be removable, so once the doors are open, the guests can take the mullion out, so they've got an unhindered view. Then they can stand or sit on the balcony and take in the view. Fantastic. Covered from the rain, no problems there. And the top here will be louvers, like we've got on the first Kubo. There, so we'll be putting louvers up. And old school levelling, tube and water. Foolproof. There you go. Can't be old school. So our man's finishing off the decking for the terrace. Ben's our female for today, he's cooking. Commander Ben is now female Commander Ben. Pacquiao is doing the handrail for the balustrade. Nelson's doing the steps going up into the bedroom. So we're nearly there guys, one more window to put in. Like I say, the CR is going to be concrete slab. That's the only part of the Kubos that are going to be not from the site. So concrete slab, concrete columns, and it'll be a ballet orientated shower room with lots of stones, plants, etc. It's going to look amazing. So we'll be doing the structure and Jen and Rose will be doing the interior fit out. But walking into the shower room will be like walking into the wilderness really. So as we say, I'm trying to make each Kubo different, each Kubo unique. The more we go, the more difficult it's going to be, but I'm sure we can do it. Okay guys, thank you very much. So here guys, we're going to have a bench fitted to the actual structure itself. Then there'll be a small table here. Then there'll be another bench, but the bench here will be removable and they can stick it onto the balcony and they can relax outside. So that's the plan for here. But I'm loving this idea. So I think one of the Kubos will have one of these terraces but bigger, extending at the front, and a walkway around the side. So it's a socket and see, as I said before, as we're building, as we're evolving, getting to know what we can do with the bamboo. Extending the guys' skill set, pushing their boundaries. Then we can get more elaborate Kubos in, which then can be offered at higher rates, gives the client more money income. So there'll be Kubos for everyone, for every budget. There'll be cubos for every budget. That's our plan. Open for all, closed to none. We're a bit concerned about the coriander because after about a week it wasn't sprouting, but now it's going well, going really well. I'll be harvesting some of this today. Some of the basil, it's looking superb. Lady's fingers. And the sunflowers won't be long before they're flowering properly. This one's looking pretty fantastic. There you go. So tomorrow a big site clean up. All the rubbish gets taken down to the bottom of the mountain. Looking great. Looking superb. Well, there's John's bedside table, bedside cabinet, whatever you want to call it. Bring it over here, please, John. Bring it closer. There you go, looking pretty good. I've told him to cancel the door, we don't need a door. I think it'll look better open. So there you go. Got a shelf to put in here. Stop anything crawling in. Yeah, it's looking good. Turn it around, mate, please. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful, John. There you go.